Hi Ray, this is Candace and I'm just going to do just a quick little tutorial on our Canvas. So I have a bunch of courses, but your student would just have the courses on his dashboard of what courses he would be in. So I'm going to choose Core 150, which is our Biblical Foundations course. You can see that on the sidebar here. Let me go into student view here. What would show up for him is just typically just a few items that he can choose. Right, this would be his homepage, and it's just an intro to the course. It's going to be typically going to be the professor just sharing a little bit about himself and just kind of that intro to the course. And then at the bottom of the page will be each of the modules with the dates. And so your student would be able to just click on any of those modules and go to, let's see here, hang on one second, our modules tab. And again, you have have worked through Canvas, so I'm sure you already know kind of what it looks like. I'm just going to show you kind of so this is module 1 learning guide. This is very typical of how our courses are going to look, where there's going to be a slight introduction here. There's going to be maybe specific topics or assignments throughout that module, and there are going to be links to each of those assignments with PDFs of them, or maybe another video, the link to the discussion assignments. That's going to be all in each of the module learning guides. So that is pretty typical for all of our courses. I'll just click on one of the assignments here. I'll go to the discussion here, post discussion. So our discussions kind of look like this. It'll be just a kind of a short initial post and then response posts as well. And when you scroll down to the bottom, then it will start showing. It depends on how the professor sets it up. They can sometimes see the post before they post themselves, but typically they have to post the initial post before they see response posts. The grades, see, I'm in student view right now, so this is what the grades would look like for the student. Again, pretty typical, showing the due dates, shows what the score is out of it. It's going to definitely indicate if it's late or missing. And then they would just go all the way to the bottom to show where their total is. One of the great things on Canvas, and you maybe know this already, is you can put in your score to have it show you what you could have. So kind of an override of showing what the student could be doing if they want to see what scores they need to get the grade that they want. Also, our syllabus page is pretty informative. It always includes the link to this professor syllabus, the textbooks. We have information about technology and some instructional videos for Canvas. And then I just have a little video for myself on academic advising here. This is for dual credit, so that wouldn't necessarily be on applicable. There's links also to any accommodations for students and the student handbook, which is really important. I think that's important to know that there is a link, because we do ask all our students, even our online, that they're going to comply to our student handbook. And then at the bottom is basically a big calendar of all the assignments. So I think that's a pretty good tutorial. If you want to know something more specific, just let me know. Give me an email. All right, thanks, Ray. Bye-bye.